Used to, verb. Talking about something that happened in the past that doesn't happen anymore. In the past, but not now. To express familiarity or habits. Why don't you phone me every day like you used to? I used to have long hair. We used to go to the park every day after school. She used to live in Paris, but now she lives in London. We used to live there when we were children. I used to drink coffee, but I don't anymore. I used to work 5 days a week, but now I work part-time. When I was younger, I used to believe in magic. I used to want to be a hairdresser when I was young. She used to go swimming twice a week. She used to be good at sports, but now that she was older, she found sports a lot harder. I used to walk to work every day, but now I take the bus. He used to tell people he was a footballer, but he wasn't really. I used to think that maths was my favorite subject at school. The teacher used to pick on me in every lesson until I got the answers right. Be used to, noun, pronoun, ing form. Something normal or regular. Talking about something we are accustomed to. I'm not used to eating so much for breakfast. I'm used to getting very little sleep. He's used to having to study late at night. I am used to having 3 meals a day. She's used to living on her own. I'm not used to driving such a big car. I'm used to working long hours because I used to work in a hospital. As a salesman, he was used to traveling a lot for work. Are you used to living here? I think that she should be used to getting up early by now. Are you used to this climate? He's not used to working at night, so he gets tired easily. The weather is a little colder than I am used to. I will soon be used to my daily routine. The journey was longer than I am used to, but I enjoyed the view. Get used to. Something is in the process of becoming normal. Adapt to a new situation. She's getting used to having to wake up early for work. I'm getting used to my new hairstyle. He's finally got used to how cold it is in winter. I've got used to the noise of the railway behind my house. It took her some time to get used to driving on the other side of the road. I can't get used to the idea that you've changed so much. I can understand him perfectly. I've got used to his accent. His sense of humor took some time to get used to. You'll soon get used to your new lifestyle. The cold weather is something you will need to get used to. It took the family a while to get used to life in the city. This school is different, but it is something that the children will get used to soon. You will need to get used to eating different foods if you want to be healthier. I need to get used to working in a team. VOCABjo, your way to learn English. Listen, learn, enjoy.